Today we're going to show you how to create Python variables. So let's go ahead into our VS Code, and then we're going to use the terminal directly because you have not yet gotten into the juice. So just if you have already installed Python, for me I have Python 3.10.8. So just type in Python and then you're in the IDE. So we want to create a variable that will be first an integer and then we turn it into a string. So in Python, you do not have to initialize anything. You just type the name of the variable that you want. So A, and then I'll give it an integer 14. And the variable has been initialized. We can change the type to string. So we can call it Breton and close that. And then let's print and see if it prints 14 or it prints Breton. So tell me, what is it going to print before you run the code? There we go. You see it prints Breton. So that is how you create variables in Python. Go practice and go try, and let's meet in the next class.